Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Passbolt, a powerful open-source password manager available at https://passbolt.com. Passbolt offers a unique approach to password management, focusing on team collaboration and secure sharing. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, Passbolt provides a robust platform for managing and controlling access to sensitive information. One of the key features that sets Passbolt apart is its open-source nature. This transparency provides users with increased trust and control over their data. You can self-host Passbolt, giving you complete ownership of your password vault. Alternatively, you can opt for Passbolt's cloud-hosted solution if you prefer a more hands-off approach. Security is paramount when it comes to password management, and Passbolt doesn't disappoint. It utilizes end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only authorized users can access stored passwords. This robust encryption protocol protects your data even in the event of a server breach. Furthermore, Passbolt employs strong password policies and multi-factor authentication to further enhance security. Passbolt's collaborative features make it an excellent choice for teams. It simplifies the process of securely sharing passwords and other sensitive information with colleagues. With granular access controls, administrators can precisely manage who has access to specific passwords and data. This level of control is crucial for maintaining security and compliance within an organization. Beyond password management, Passbolt offers a range of additional features, including password generators, secure file storage, and detailed audit logs. These features enhance productivity and provide valuable insights into account activity. Whether you need to generate strong, unique passwords, securely store confidential documents, or track access to sensitive information, Passbolt has you covered. Exploring the platform reveals its commitment to providing a comprehensive solution for managing online security. So head over to passbolt.com and see if it's the right fit for you and your team. Remember, staying secure online is more critical than ever, and Passbolt provides the tools you need to protect yourself and your organization.